Why do 80% of successful digital entrepreneurs use Systeme to build their communities? Let's find out. First, sign up for free on Systeme. Just enter your email and click Get your free account. Easy, right? Next, set up your profile. Fill in your details and set your time zone. This builds trust and keeps everything running smoothly. Now let's create your community. Go to Products, select Communities, and give it a cool name. Configure your settings and you're all set. Invite new members via email and make it look professional with a profile picture. Organize with themes and categories to keep engagement high. Time to monetize. Create a sales funnel, set your currency, and design a simple payment page. Easy transactions mean happy members. Finally, automate access. With a few clicks, new members get instant entry after payment. No manual work needed. Follow these steps and you'll have a thriving, exclusive community in no time. Ready to transform your digital business? Let's go.